science is under science stuff. What? Science? Ugh, hit the wrong one. I was like, what? No science under the science? Can we fit in? Yes, we can. If we turn it around. Turn around. Maybe just cheat a little bit here. So let's put in 2 of these. Mystery goo. Mr. Magoo. If I put the shroud on, that sticks through. Let's push it in a little bit here. Next to. Yeah, sweet. We have a couple of these. Oh, I can't remember. Some of these are only working on the surface. I can't remember which one. And some of them only works in space, but I can't remember which one. It's not really a problem. I need some temperature gauge. I think that's double on everything. Let's look at this ground. Yeah. Hey Dalek, how are you? Welcome. Small module, then soil, atmosphere, and ocean sample tool. Oh, maybe that's a good one. Let's go double just to, be sure. But I think it needs an atmosphere, and the moon doesn't have an atmosphere. So maybe it's a waste. Anyways, maybe if we design it to do multiple things, then we can, maybe there's a little bit of an atmosphere. Who knows? Then good. Finally vacation time. Yeah, I have a little bit. I have tomorrow, and then I need to work Monday and Tuesday, and then Wednesday we are going to Talon, the capital of Estonia. And we're gonna be there for from the 29th to the 3rd of January. So, and it seems like the restriction is about the same as in Denmark. So, you can still go out and eat and go to a bar to around 10, 11 at night. But on New Year's you can party all night long because it's suspended over the okay. Well, yeah, a lot can happen still. There's still like 7 days. There's a week until we depart with the plane, so a lot can happen. But as of right now, we're going. Also because the plane tickets are just like, I think around 2,500 or 2,500 per person. So, yeah, sure. Always careful. We're gonna bring our own hand booze. Disinfection. I can't say it. And happy holiday to you too, Silent. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Disinfection gel. And masks, of course. Masks. A lot of masks. I have a lot of masks, so both medicinals and the out of fabric. So gonna bring it all. Not at all, because then that's like 200 masks or something. Maybe a little too much, but yeah, you know what I mean. Maybe a little battery. Oh yeah. If you wore that mask, you would be invincible. Let's put a little battery, extra battery, just to be safe here. Here. Why can't I find the right button? Right one to rotate. There it is. It's gonna be a little compact in here. It's getting hot in here. Bam. I think that's fine. Then we can do a little sweet top here. Maybe we should do like a mech jab unit. That's more for me. One for me. One for you. Yeah, nah. I don't think there's actually gonna be a New Year's party per se, but we have booked a dinner place for the night, with some entertainment, but I think it's going to be low key. I wonder what that is. We can use that. That looks cool. As a finishing touch, and then we can do. Did I get like advanced power? No, we still need some research. I think I'm gonna go with the retractable ones. Go like that. Go like that. No, not double.
I just wanted one. One, I say.
One there.
One there.
It's because this one opens up that way. You can't have a solar panel there. I think 2 is enough. Oh yeah, Kerbal Space Program 2 is going to be amazing. I hope it's a little better optimized than the old one. Right now I'm doing 60 frames, but before at the launch pad with a simple rocket with like 8 satellites and like 8 communication satellites and 1 survey satellite, I was doing like 25-30 frames. Okay, so that's pretty much the I haven't heard that. That I don't think that's right. With all the insights streams and stuff I've seen, and one of them was recently, but again, they could have run out of money. But what I heard, they were pretty close to alpha release. So I think he's janging your chain. I think. to do this and make it look decent. Actually, maybe we should go like I think there is under some of these here. Yeah. Oh, that's way smaller than I thought. Don't we have like a bigger version of this one, or can I change the size? No. Apparently I don't have a fuel thing that looks like that. A tank. And I don't like that. So let's do like... Can I think it can fit there. So if I go like 3 of these... Wonder if I can... No. Cannot. So what if I just use this as a... You know, shrink stuff down kind of thing. Wrong button. Oh, last year. Yeah, maybe somebody put, because I feel like the last thing that was posted on the YouTube channel was recent. And I saw in an interview with Scott Mantley and the creator behind it. And I think that wasn't that long time ago. Maybe I'm wrong. But I haven't heard any of those YouTubers I follow that plays Kerbal talk about Kerbal being cancelled. And it's the same owners that own Kerbal Space Program 1. I did not want to do that. F. Just to make it look a little more... Something like that, maybe. Then we can do... Maybe take it down a little bit. F. Something like that. And then... Need some landing legs. And an engine, of course. Dum, dum, ba-dum, dum, 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 ba-dum, dum, dum. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Oh, that could be it. That could be... Whoa, that's big. Nope. Too big. And don't we have a small... I think we had a small one. I think it's... Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, there is a website called ksp2.com, I think. And it's the next generation of space exploration. And it's still coming. So yeah, I think it's maybe one studio bought up one and then, you know, made it go out of business and then took everything for it. So I don't know. I don't know how stuff works. Let's see here. No, let's do it with that one. That looks cool. And then some legs. I think we have time to test fly, but I don't think we have time for doing the actual mission. Where do I have the legs? I have them there. Is this big? This is huge compared to what we need. So let's just go like Wow. C. Thank you. There it is. Can we kind of pick like a... Okay, we can fiddle with that. Let's see here. It's pretty straight. So let's try and rotate it a little bit here on its axis. That looks pretty straight. Let's bring it in a little bit. Maybe bring it up also. A little bit in. I think it's an okay straight. Let's put it over a little bit like that. A little more up. Something like that. Yeah, that looks fine. Let's try. Oh, crap. Yay, control set. Let's retract it. Yeah, that's a nice little package. Let's put a decoupler. Like so. And then we need like a dummy piece here. Like an empty tank. Just to raise it up a little bit. So the legs don't hit the fairing bottom. Let's see here. I can't remember. Do I have a small... No, I only have the Albatross or the Albatross 2.1. So we could do like a smaller... How heavy is this? That's about 2 ton. That's actually a decent survey satellite, or not satellite, lander for the moon. I think we have plenty of Delta V to land. If I change this to moon, why is moon only with 1 U? I thought moon was with 2 U's. Huh. Well, we learn a little bit every day. It's got plenty of thrust to weight ratio. We got plenty of Delta V. So yeah, no problem. No problem at all. I think this is strong enough to actually lift off with anything, without any lifter. It's not enough Delta V to get to orbit, but okay. So we definitely need a small rocket. Oh, maybe we could go. I actually kind of want to do a thing here. Right. Oh, what? Maybe. Clamshell to Action Force 200. Let's go. Let's go. Silver. Let's go with that one. Oops. Let's save this as moon. Robo lander. Mark 1. Okay, so let's just give it like a big engine. Let's go with a full solid booster. Oh, we need something to... Just a dummy piece. Let's empty the fuel. And that doesn't have any gimbal, I think. Do you have gimbal? You do not, do you? Whoa, that's a fat one. Hey, that's a new one. I can't remember seeing that. Huh. It looks pretty neat. It's actually bigger, this one. It has more solid fuel. I don't know if we need that big one. Wow. It's huge. Yeah. Mrs. Raven just look up the they have an official homepage and it's set to release next year. So yeah, I think Dallas is correct. It's something about cutting fund to another studio. I think they bought I cannot remember can't remember the name of the creator. They had like a monkey's face as a logo, I think. Riot, no. I can't remember. Never mind. The original creators. We need something to something. No, I can. When you say it, oh yeah, that's right. But no, I didn't think about it yesterday. But yeah, that's kind of funny. Where maybe here I need something that's too small. That's too small too. That's too small. No, actually, that looks about right. Yeah. Let's give it a red. I can't color that one. This one doesn't have any gimbal game. Oh, sort of. Let's see here. There's a lot of frost, so let's frost limit it a little bit. Maybe to 1.6, so it doesn't like rip everything apart. Because when this go, it goes. There's no slowing it down. So let's give it some big fins to actually control its movements. We can go fins, aerodynamic. Let's give it a couple of small fins up here. Let's go with 4 of those. So. And then a couple of big ones down here. And then no one then. Put it down like that and then stuff it in a little bit. Something like that. Let's just test fly this. I have no idea how this is going to work. No idea at all. So this is just a test flight. It looks kind of dumb like that. I think I'm gonna change that, but let's just see how it goes. Let's engage autopilot. 3, 2, 1, go. It's slow off the pad. But it's fine. That was kind of intentional. I forgot. I need a transfer stage. Yeah, definitely need a transfer stage. I think this is probably going to be able to go to orbit. I think if you make like the most perfect launch, I think you can get to orbit with about 4,000 delta V. So it should be able to get us to orbit. I don't know why the game sound is a little. I feel like the engine noise normally is higher. Just see here. Did I do anything? Well, the master volume is really low, so we could just apply that a little higher. Oh, I'm encoding overloading. Why am I that? Oh, my CPU is packed like 100%. What the heck? Wow. Look at that. I'm going straight out. 200. I can't control it. I need something to control it. Oh, I'm going so fast that I'm going too fast. Whoa. And it keeps going. I can't control it. Okay. That was a good test. Yeah, it's a solid socket rocket booster. So I can't control anything. When it goes, it goes. But I've built rockets before that uses solid boosters as a first stage. And I think the idea is kind of fun. I need to redo this, of course. Maybe that one could be. Oh, if I get let's see here. If I do like maybe that one. Oh, that's too small. That looks too stupid. That one, and then not that one. That one. Yes, that fits. Then we can take like an engine. Oh, which one should we take? I think that's too small. That's also too small. Mango. Yeah, separator is coming. Oh, we could actually go with I think I figured that out last time, how to do this. Not that one. Yes, that one. And then go short. Right. I think. Maybe that's too short. Well, that depends on the engine, of course. We could go with a Terry. I don't think I need that much. Okay, I definitely need more than that. That's because of the weight of the fuel. Cheetah could go. Then I need this one to be a little longer, I think. What? Huh. Thought I figured it out last time. Or I'm just hitting the wrong spot. It's on the exact same spot. That's weird. Now it should be noticeable. Aha. Then it doesn't matter how big the engine is, because that's gonna fit the fairing separator thingy there. And it should let go here if I remember correctly. But then we need some separators. Just a couple of these. We could put them. Not that one. Turn around. Not that one. That way. And let's get 4. And let's get them right there where the fins are. Just, oh, wait a minute. I think I need to go C. And it comes right there where I want it. Then we can angle it a little bit outwards. Then we can F and put it in. Stick it in. A little bit up and a little more in and a little more up and a little out. Something like that. And then let's just put the fuel down. It doesn't need to be that much. And let's go, we got 4, so let's go 25. That would be the same force as 1. I don't think that's too heavy. Well, I guess we have to wait and see. So that's a go. That's a no-go. That's the main engine, so that should actually be there. This engine, it shouldn't turn on before that one has let go. This one we need to raise the thrust. And then I kind of want to do, just to have something to control stuff with, we can go with some Werner engines. They run on the same fuel. I think 4 should be enough. Or maybe it should be, say what? I said 4, not 3. Game. Thank you. Let's go like that. And then just for the, we need to, I think I can deorbit that at the moon. Yeah, just gonna make a test flight. That's for sure. Let's go with some lights. I want some lights on it like that. Just for the heck of it. Let's get that out of the game. Oh, there it is. So that could be a thing. Separators. Or maybe actually these should be combined. It should let go as they turn that on. So that's fine. Maybe we should take a little bit of the... No. Let's try this. See how it works. Okay, RCS on, autopilot on, and go. And the ambient spacecraft, it's 50%. Let's go higher on that one. Kind of want to hear the engine roaring. I don't know what's... I don't know what's pegging the CPU. Maybe the water. Something about the water. Nope. The skybox maybe? Maybe one of the mods aren't that optimized. I'm definitely lagging. Am I lagging for you guys? On the stream? Yeah. I don't know. I'm not dropping any packages, but I'm definitely... I'm going way off. I think I need to adjust the flight plan. Oh, we're in space. I'm only out 400 kilometers and I set it to like 75. I don't have enough control. Let's deploy that. Turn on the lights. So, we got far out into space before we can circleize. But I think we have enough, even though we do it like that. Yeah, we have like 3,200 delta V in this stage here. And we do have a separator right there if that's the one you're missing. So we can separate these two parts from each other. It's right there. But I think I need to extract and extract. Where's the sun? Oh, it's there. Well, it still took like 1200 delta V. We need to catch up in speed, in vertical speed. Sorry, horizontal speed, not the vertical. We need to raise our periapsis so it's actually above the the Kerbal atmosphere and the ground before we're in orbit. We need to speed up stuff. We're accelerating. It's so accelerating. The most optimal way to do it is not this. It's hitting. It's like if you are lying about 20-30 seconds over the apoapsis all the way up. That's kind of the most efficient way to do it. So yeah, we can definitely make it to the moon. So yeah, I still kind of want to. I don't know why. It normally it goes more like 60 degrees, kind of. I think the thrust is too high. We might need some kind of. I didn't feel like the burner engine were actually working. I don't feel like the wings give us the control we need. Maybe I need to build like a wing myself. Could go like really big wing and then put our own elevators on it. Why can't I hit it? Can you hit it? Yes, you can. Something like that. Then chuck it in. Maybe raise it a little bit like that and then take it another notch in. Maybe something like that. That should give us some more authority. Respect my authority. Well, let's see here. I think this is gonna be the last attempt or test flight, and then I have to end the stream. I'm getting hungry. Don't know why it's picking my CPU like this. GPU. Don't wanna make a laggy video. every frame, maybe every other. Oh, medium. Let's try that. Oh. Let's see if that changed anything. It did. Definitely did. Just took 30% of my GPU usage. Damn. Right. I'm all right. Okay, let's see if we can control this now. If we see the editor, it should make a flight profile like this. I feel like it's not really turning. Are you even trying to turn? No, not really. It should start turning at 6 kilometers, or if we reach a speed of... it seems like there's a little more authority this time. And yeah, and I can actually see the Werner engine working. But I think it's accelerating really fast. So I think it's kind of hard for the vehicle to go that way, but we can help it a little bit here maybe. Oh, there's something that's not happy about the friction. I think I'm gonna lose the wings. Maybe I should remove the wings, actually. Oh, problem solved. Don't know why it's going like second speed. It helped a little bit trying to force it. Maybe I should just revert flight to launch. Then just try and change. Maybe try and do it manually. Should be possible. Maybe just try and alter this. Make it more steep, maybe. Maybe lower the speed a little bit. Make that 3. Let's just try that one. See how it goes. Should pretty much hit 100 meters per second. Pretty fast here. And then start to turn slowly. Don't know if that's gonna help it a little bit here. I actually think that's not bad. It feels more right. And then eventually it's just gonna... Oh, I forgot to... I think I need to remove those fins. I don't think they're necessary. I think it's about to go outside the plant flight route. Yeah. But it's way better. We also hitting like we are accelerating way too fast. Maybe I should try and just quickly. Maybe I should try and limit the first of all, let's remove those. Just if they make some unnecessary resistant. Maybe I should limit this a little more. Maybe go like, I don't know, 70. Just one more try. Come on, game. Engage autopilot. Now it's really slowly accelerating, but as the vehicle gets lighter, it's going to have a bigger thrust to weight ratio, so so the acceleration happens faster. I think it actually says it somewhere. Yeah, the current acceleration is like 15, and you can see it rising. If the weight was constant, that number wouldn't rise. But that's meters per second. That's actually a lot. But the lower you put this, the harder for the vehicle to, actually moving the vehicle because of the gravity. That's going to get harder, and I don't want to get too low because that's also just a waste of fuel. And then I could just, keep the weight to thrust to weight ratio and just take some of the fuel out of the tank instead of, not leaving it. Let's see if it helped removing the fins. I feel like it's helped a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit. Let's help it a little bit here, because we are almost in orbit. I could go this way completely now if I wanted to, because we're still gonna reach orbit. This is the time to apoapsis. If you can keep that between 20 seconds and, how much is it? 20 seconds and 20 to 30 seconds at all time, then it's better. Let's see here. If I go circularize, now I only need 600, but I manually forced it down. If I hadn't done that, I would just keep going that way, and then I would have raised it way higher. I wonder what I can do. I feel like at some point I made a I think it's I can't remember if it's ESA or it's the Chinese space agency that's working with a crew capsule, where the first stage is only a solid booster, rocket booster. But I also believe that's actually, there's some solid rocket boosters that can gimbal, and I think there's solid rocket boosters that can limit its thrust a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit. Because if I remember, a solid rocket booster, it's kind of like there's a hole in the middle, and all the solid fuel is on the side, and then there's still some kind of accelerant, like liquid oxygen, that's blown through it, and then the power comes out the nozzle. And if you can make the nozzle vary in size, then you can kind of control it a little bit. And if you can control the liquid air a little bit, then there also should be a way of limit the thrust a little bit. Not the same amount as if it's a liquid rocket booster. But that gives us almost 500 extra meters per second. But it's not really a problem because we don't need that much. So yeah, we can make it happen. I just have to manually fly it a little bit. Or actually just remove some of the fuel, or use the smaller rocket or the smaller booster, because it is a big booster. It's a really big booster. But yeah, I think we have to end the stream here anyways. But yeah, I kind of like Kerbal. I feel it's fun to build rockets, and I think I might do this next Wednesday too. Well, not next Wednesday, because if everything goes to plan, we're on a plane next Wednesday. So next Wednesday. So Wednesday in the new year. I don't know if this is the last stream before New Year. I might stream Sunday. But that's Mass Effect 3. But it's definitely the last stream before Christmas. Oh yeah, that's right. Actually, my big brother and his kid is coming. That day is coming by, but I can't remember when. Okay, that's going to be after 3, maybe. And I stopped streaming. Huh? Okay, but after dinner, after midday, that could be like 12 or 1. That's in theory. But normally when we talk about after dinner coffee, after midday coffee, that's normally about 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. I have to talk to him to know. But yeah, it's definitely the last stream before Christmas. So I would like to say have a happy holiday, and I hope, considering all the COVID bullshit, I hope you eftermiddagskaffe is 15 o'clock. Yeah, in my opinion, but I concur. But I don't think everybody thinks that. Anyways, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Vacation if you're none of the above and just have a little bit of time off. I hope you have a lovely evening on Friday. And for you Americans, I hope you get some good presents Saturday morning. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed the stream, and if you did, if you're not already, please consider giving the channel a follow so you don't miss next time I'm streaming. If you like what you see, also check out the link to the YouTube channel down below. This safe game I started on the YouTube. So yeah, if you want to see how I got to where I am now, I have 26 videos, I think it ended up to. I did because of the waiting time between Alpha 19 and Alpha 20 of 7 Days to Die. But 7 Days to Die Alpha 20 is released, so the series is put on hold. But I thought it would be cool to start it up here as a stream. So yeah, if you want to, we have a Discord channel, and that should also be linked down below, both here on Twitch but also on YouTube. So jump in. We're actually a decent amount of people now, so there's a little bit of activity every day, so don't miss out on that. And yeah, the last thing I want to do is just wish you all a great day. Have fun gaming.